नमस्कार। आशा करता हूं इस चुनौतीपूर्ण माहौल में आप स्वस्थ भी हैं और सुरक्षित भी। लॉकडाउन लर्निंग्स फ्रॉम भगवत गीता के एपिसोड नंबर 9 में आपका स्वागत है। आशा करता हूं लॉकडाउन 4 आप लोग एंजॉय कर रहे हैं, क्योंकि जिस तरह से छूट दी गई है काफी रिलीफ हम सबको महसूस हो रहा होगा। ऐसा लग रहा है किसी घुटन में से निकल के बाहर आए। While we celebrate all this and while we get used to a normal life, one thing that we have learnt from the lockdown period, please don't unlearn that. That's my sincere request to all of you. And that is, resources are to be used and not abused. संसाधनों का उपयोग करिए, दुरुपयोग नहीं। क्योंकि पिछले 60 दिन या लगभग 60 दिनों में हम लोग एक तरह से कम संसाधन में अपना काम चल सकता है और हम जी सकते हैं और अच्छी तरह जी सकते हैं, ये हम सब समझ गए हैं। सो रिसोर्सेस आर टू बी यूज्ड एंड नॉट अब्यूज्ड। संसाधनों का प्रयोग करें, दुरुपयोग ना करें। ऑन दैट नोट, वेलकम बैक। टुडे भगवान से अर्जुन ने पहले श्लोक में क्या पूछा था? 18वें अध्याय के, संन्यासस्य महाबाहो तत्त्वमिच्छामि वेदितुम त्यागस्य च ऋषिकेश पृथक् केश निषूदन। उसने ये पूछा था कि हे भगवान, मुझे ये बताएं कि त्याग और संन्यास के बीच में क्या अंतर होता है, बिकॉज बोथ त्याग एंड संन्यास हैज ए एलिमेंट ऑफ गिविंग अप और रिनंसिएशन इन इट। So till now, Bhagwan has told him the difference between Tyag and Sannyas. To know more, you can refer to my earlier videos which are available on YouTube. And now, if he would have wanted, Bhagwan, he could have ended it right there. Bhagavad Gita would have ended by answering Arjuna's question, but he looks at his watch and he sees that still there is some time remaining. And he thought that let me utilize this time to summarize the whole of Bhagavad Gita here. अब पूछा ही है तो चल बता देते हैं तेरे को। And that is how he said, he now takes up a beautiful topic, and this is very close to my heart, and I call it the holistic view of life. So what is holistic view of life? So let me try and explain. So if I have a headache, I take a pill. If I have a stomach ache, I take another pill. If I have a body ache, I take another pill. If I have a toothache, I take another pill. If I have fever, I take another pill. If I have cough and cold, I take another pill. But every time I have to take another pill. What is the remedy? The true remedy for this is to have good physical health, isn't it? And that is what I call the holistic view of life. So life cannot be lived in bits and pieces. Life cannot be lived in bits and pieces. That I need a seminar on leadership management, I need a seminar on motivational management, I need a seminar on communication, I need a seminar on my behavioral skills, how to interact with people. कब तक एक करके करेगा? And if you are not able to integrate everything together to make a holistic personality, then how will you put to use everything in different buckets in different times? It has to come naturally, isn't it? And that's what I call the holistic view of life. So here, now Bhagwan says there are 6 virtues that he says are required for gaining this holistic virtue. And I call those 6 virtues as the VIPs. DAVIPS. So these are called the VIPs, and all the 6 virtues are also of 3 kinds: Sattvic, Rajasic and Tamasic. So for us, or for me, it is very important to know where do I stand in my current stage of evolution. So currently, where do I stand in terms of DAVIPS? And once I have recognized, or once I have identified where I belong right now, only then can I make a plan of my improvement or for my improvement from here on. So keep on watching. I will be bringing DAVIPS, one virtue, in one episode for the next 6 episodes. Keep watching. Till such time, stay safe, stay healthy. I can't say stay home, but please stay safe. Thank you.